What's called Safe Home, Safe Schools is taking steps to encourage just that, to prevent unsecured guns from making their way into the hands of children, and specifically to prevent even more school shootings. This week, Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed 19 bills to keep the communities and schools safe. But 3 of those bills will improve one of the biggest concerns for parents. Whitmer took to social media to talk about why these bills are important to her.
First, I want to talk about why I am signing them. No matter where I am in the state, one of the most heartbreaking things I've heard from parents is that their number one concern is the threat of gun violence when their kids are at school. As a mom of 2 daughters who graduated not too long ago, I have felt that same pit that parents get in our stomachs when we drop our kids off in the morning.
In 2023, Michigan passed what was called the Safe Storage Law, requiring every home with children to have firearms locked up. But it's estimated that 150,000 kids in Michigan live in a home with an unsecured firearm. State Representative Sharon McDonnell sponsored one of the bills that aims to fix this issue.
Every single parent or guardian with a child in public and private schools in the state of Michigan once a year will get information about safe storage and how to find, if they don't have gun locks, how to find cheap or free gun locks.
The push for these changes have unfortunately come from tragedy. 2 Michigan school shootings in the past 5 years have resulted in programs like Safe Home, Safe Schools.
One of the college students who was killed at Michigan State is from my district, and her parents, of course, have become activists. They came to our hearings. They spoke about why it's so important to keep guns out of kids' hands.
Governor Whitmer says she believes in protecting our kids, who are our future.
And that's why I'm excited to sign these 3 bills that will create a team that identifies and addresses when a student or educator is having a problem at school, standardized terminology used during an emergency so that school administrators and responders are on the same page, and make sure that parents are informed about how to store firearms at home so that guns don't fall into the wrong hands.
Since this bill was just signed this week, these exact resources have not yet been finalized. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services is in charge of these educational resources that will be given out to parents annually.
Emma Broad with that important info every parent and child must know tonight. Emma, we appreciate you. Thank you.
Some new reporting now.